At Philippe Park, historic site of the Tocobaga capital city. We are pulling in, and this is absolutely a beautiful area. What is this waterway, Kathy?
Tampa Bay.
Tampa Bay. Right here. We're going to be coming up to a tree tunnel that is noted for this park. Park, and we are coming up to the Indian mound. It's still over there, Tampa Bay. And I guess, okay, go left. What a beautiful park, Kathy. Okay, that's the Indian mound right there. We're coming up to the Indian mound, and look at this cool tree. Oh my gosh, with all the nubs on it. I don't know what kind of tree that is. Do you know what kind of tree that is, Kathy?
Nope. No, I don't.
And so what's the story behind the Indian mound, Kath?
The Indian mound is the ancient burial Indian ground. Indian mound. The information's at the bottom. From years ago when Odet Philippe came over on the Mayflower, he found this land and they called it Philippe Park. There's information at the bottom of the mound that tells you about it. On the other side drops down, it's all stairs, so you can walk right down to the water and fish if you want.
And they came over on the
Mayflower. Christopher Columbus, Mayflower.
Wow, cool.